If your Samsung TV refuses to turn on and instead shows a red standby light blinking exactly 2 times, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down what the 2-blink red light actually means, why it happens, and the most reliable fixes you can try at home before calling a technician. What does the red light on a Samsung TV means? The red light on a Samsung TV is not just a power indicator. When the TV is working normally, the red light stays solid while the TV is off and turns off when the screen comes on. However, when the red light blinks, Samsung uses this as a diagnostic signal. The blinking pattern tells you that the TV attempted to power on but detected a problem during the startup process. Step 1. Power cycle fix. The first and most effective fix is a full power cycle, which clears residual electricity and resets internal components. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet completely. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 to 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, plug the TV back directly into the wall and try turning it on. Step 2. Check the power source and cable. A weak or unstable power connection can cause the TV to blink twice and fail to start. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or surge protectors temporarily, and plug the TV directly into a known working wall socket. If the power cable looks damaged or loose, replacing it may fix the issue. Step 3. Disconnect all external devices. Sometimes the TV cannot complete startup because it's struggling to communicate with connected devices. Unplug all HDMI cables, USB devices, soundbars, gaming consoles, and streaming sticks from the TV. Once everything is disconnected, try turning the TV on again. If it powers on successfully, one of the external devices or cables is likely causing the problem. Step 4. Software or firmware issues. If your TV sometimes turns on but behaves inconsistently, outdated or corrupted software could be the cause. When possible, check for firmware updates in the TV's settings menu. In rare cases, a factory reset can fix deeper software issues, but this should only be done if you can access the menu, as it will erase all saved settings. If none of the basic fixes work, the 2 blinking red lights may indicate a hardware issue. Common internal causes include a failing power supply board, weak capacitors, backlight failure, or loose internal connections. These issues typically require professional repair and are more common in TVs that are several years old or have experienced power surges.